Hello there, Emma Watson is the quintessential English rose who always looks polished and poised, so you might have wondered what she has in her makeup bag. This is easily the most requested video I've ever had for this series, where I look at people in the public eye whose makeup style I admire and see which products we have in common, like shopping my stash, not shopping for any new products. So this isn't a complete list of what she uses, just items I can personally review too. Source articles always linked below. Emma herself was actually a big source for this. She ran an Instagram account called The Press Tour in 2017 during her promotion of Beauty and the Beast, documenting her clothing and clean beauty choices. She's explained that after growing up on camera wearing a lot of screen makeup, she started to lean towards more conscious, natural makeup brands in her personal life. Emma said, "The object for me when applying makeup is you should be able to see as much skin as possible, and I love that approach too. A fresh glowy base to let her freckles show, some lovely flushes of colour on the cheeks, a fair few red lips, and some brighter or deeper shades, plus some fun with graphic eye looks on occasion. Those beautiful features hardly need enhancing really." Emma is a fellow RMS beauty fan, even going as far as to say she's pretty obsessed with RMS. She uses their famous Uncover-Up concealer. Light, creamy and sheer, so admittedly better for good skin days and light coverage rather than really covering spots. Great if you like your concealer to disappear into your skin. The bronzer Emma wears regularly is sadly discontinued, the Tata Harper Bronzing Cheek Tint. A clean alternative I enjoy is the RMS Beauty Bronzer, which seems like it could be fairly similar. A sun-kissed, creamy product in a pot with slight shimmer and gloss to catch the light. Really nice on the eyes too, and easy to sheer out. This first part is full of RMS, and this pot in particular is a firm celebrity favourite. Living Illuminizer led the way in the lit from within dewy highlight world, and it's the brand's most celebrated product for a reason. Mine's ancient and completely battered, but keeps delivering a glowy, healthy highlight. Quite glossy on the skin. Plus all of these pots are made from recycled glass. Another Emma-approved glow is the Kia Weiss Cream Highlighter in Radiance. It's lightweight and light in appearance too, like you've just exercised and your skin is naturally glowing. Slightly more golden than Living Luminizer, and more of a low-watt, subtle look that's not as glossy. Kia Weiss are environmentally conscious too, selling refills so you can keep your original compact. Moving on to cheeks to capture a fraction of that English rose flush. Emma wears Tata Harper's volumizing lip and cheek in Very Sweet to add a fresh pop of pink. The texture of these is very emollient and smooth, almost mousse-like and easy to blend with fingers. I love the shade Very Popular too, a pretty peachy neutral. Emma has worn two different shades of Ilia's Multi-Stick, a Fine Romance and Tenderly, but I love Cheek to Cheek and All of Me. A bright blood orange for a healthy, sun-touched look, and a slightly more subdued coral for a summery flush. The finish is sheer, slightly tacky and very dewy, so it leaves a great glow. RMS Lip to Cheek also gets the nod from Emma. Quite firm in the pot, but swirling your finger around picks up a light layer of this dewy blush. Elusive is a matte burnt rose with a hint of plum, a sunburnt rush on cheeks. Smile is a bright coral. Mine's in the Mod Collection's signature set palette. This is a favourite of Miranda Kerr's too. Manasi 7 is a Swedish brand I discovered in Content Beauty in London, where Emma shops too. Their all-over colour pot is a dream multitasking product for cheeks, lips and eyes. Couldn't identify the shade Emma wore, but I love Chamoisi, an earthy brown for sheer warmth. Nice smooth, balmy texture and vanilla scent. More RMS pots as we move on to eyeshadow. Emma has worn their eye polish in the golden shade Solar, but my two favourites are Lucky, a wonderful warm copper that makes green and blue eyes pop in particular, and Embrace, a subtle pale pink for a feminine glow. The texture's very creamy and does crease a bit, but I don't mind a slightly lived-in look with these. Emma wore the Rituel de Fille Ashen Ember Eye Soot in the bronzy shade Half Light, but I have the shade Viscera. Much bolder than what she usually wears, but you can make this shimmery burgundy much more subtle with a single swipe. Emma has been seen in a range of mascaras from clean brands over the years, but one I've personally tried and enjoyed is the RMS Volumizing Mascara. I'm very picky with mascara. I like a lot of volume and length without looking clumpy or heavy, and this does the trick, adding plenty of definition. Lots of great lipsticks to discover through Emma. She says she loves Ilia for colour and has worn their tinted lip conditioner in Arabian Nights. You can see mine is very well loved and strangely shaped from swiping it on my bottom lip then just smudging my lips together. Such an easy, balmy, deep red and a great way to wear the colour to work. Back in 2016, Emma said the Body Shop's lip and cheek stain in red pomegranate was always in her daily routine. It's a product I found through her back then and can see why it's an everyday item. Easy way to add a just bitten stain to lips and a healthy rosy red blush on cheeks. Emma enjoys it because she says it doesn't really look like makeup. Emma's also a fan of Lily Lolo's red lipstick, clearly a big red fan like I am. The shade Scarlet Red is not so scarlet to me though, much more raspberry. It's very pretty, dabbed on as a sheer layer that tints and almost appears to plump up your lips. RMS Wild with Desire lipsticks have great swatching power. The creamy pigment never disappoints. Emma wore the pinky nude shade Breathless, but Brain Teaser is a stronger peachy nude, or Russian Roulette is a bold berry that's closer to some of the dark shades she's worn on the red carpet. For something more subtle, Emma applied Kia Weiss's lip tint in Passionate. You could paint this on with a lip brush, but I prefer to pat the cream on with fingers, leaving it quite sheer and summery. Peachy pink. A snippet of skincare to finish. Emma has prepped her lips in the past with Lanolips, a cruelty-free, all-natural brand from Australia made with lanolin. Their 101 ointment can be used on any patches of dry skin. Emma caused quite a stir when she mentioned Fur Oil, a product designed to soften hair, namely pubic hair. Emma uses it on the ends of her hair and eyebrows as well, and I've personally found it to be really softening on skin. Instantly smooth legs, even underarms, with a refreshing citrus scent. The Emma effect was instant, and searches for this product went up 600%. Let me know if you spotted anything in your makeup bag here. I'd love to hear whether you've dabbled in clean beauty brands before and which memorable makeup looks you've enjoyed from this movie star. And go on, share your favourite Emma Watson film in the comments for fun. Thanks for watching, see you next time.